Hi guys, my name is Franco Mohe and I'm the creator of Milk and Coffee Adventures. So for those of you who don't know, last December I joined a contest called the I'm a Wolf Warrior by the Kaabo electric scooters. So if you're interested with the video, I'll just link it down below so you can check it out and see it for yourself. Back last January, they announced the winner, and guess who won the grand prize? It's me! The prize of this contest is actually the latest model of the Kaabo scooters, which is the Kaabo Wolf King. So after waiting for a bit more than a month, you know, due to all the shipping process and all, it's finally arrived. So tomorrow, Sunday, I'll be meeting the Kaabo Philippines for the turnover of this prize. So we're going to do some sort of unboxing, and after that, I'm going to review the Wolf King from its specs, range, and all the things that you need to know about it. If you're interested to getting to know about the Wolf King, please stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Hi guys, so it's already Sunday and I'm already preparing because it's time to get my Wolf King. I'm heading to Kaabo, Philippines. Hi guys, so I'm sorry if I'm wearing my face mask right now. So I'm heading to Kaabo, Makati, and as you notice, I'm not riding my scooter right now. So I'm here at Arck, and yeah. So see you guys later for the unboxing of the Wolf King. So hi guys, we finally made it here sa Kaabo, Makati, and now I'm super duper excited. Di ko na matago yung excitement ko. And yeah, kanina nag-MRT ako and then na-experience ko ulit mag-jeep. And right now, ayun nga, this is the moment. This is the moment we've been waiting for. So guys, samahan niyo ako sa unboxing ng Kaabo Wolf King. Guys, ito na siya ang ating grand prize, the Wolf King from Kaabo. Kanina we did an unboxing with the Kaabo Philippines. Ngayon, nasa atin na ang ating Wolf King. I'm so happy. pa? Okay, so yesterday during the unboxing, I actually forgot to break down all the specs of the Kaabo Wolf King because I'm really excited. I was really overwhelmed by all the things that are happening at the Kaabo Philippines. But yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to discuss that on the next scenes, and then yeah, I'm going to compare it also with the specs of the previous Kaabo Wolf Warrior 11.
The Wolf King is the latest model of Kaabo electric scooters. Basically, it's got the frame of the previous Wolf Warrior 11, except it's available in both gold and black colors. It has 72 volts, 28 Ah battery capacity. It's got two 1500 watt motor hub, and it has a max speed of 100 kilometers per hour and a range up to 100 kilometers. One feature you would notice in the Wolf King is the brand new design of the motor hubs that fits all its new and larger components. The brake rotors also have improved. It's now using 160mm that is so thick you would easily notice it's different from the old Wolf. Just for you to compare, this is how the old rotors from my old Wolf look like. Aside from that, the Wolf King did not lose its most popular headlight and high-grade horn. It's got the same button for its lights and horn, and a slight change for the Eco Turbo and single dual button. For the suspension, it's got the same rear spring suspension and a seamless motorcycle-grade hydraulic front suspension that also support the Wolf folding mechanism. The deck size of the Wolf King did not change at all. It's got the rubber mat that protects and keeps the rider intact on the deck while riding. Of course, my all-time favorite feature of the Wolf King is the i3 Mini Motors throttle display. It's ever reliable, and it is the most efficient and easy to navigate throttle and controller in the market. For add-ons, I also got the Wolf Warrior bag from Kaabo. As you can see, the straps of this bag is designed perfectly to fit right between the forward suspension of the Wolf. By the way, they also customized my Wolf King and they put my name on it. For the range test, Unfortunately, we cannot do it right now because the weather is so gloomy. And yeah, I don't want to risk, like, I think it's gonna rain for a short while because the heavy clouds are already around. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to create a separate video for the range test, and let's see if what they're claiming is true. If that 100 plus kilometers, I guess, that's what they are claiming in the website. So we're gonna check if that's true, and if I use the scooter the way I use it, how long the battery would last. We're going to check it out and conduct more tests and to see how is it going with different settings, different setups, something like that. So we're going to test it all until we extract the information that we need. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching and for joining me in this journey of unboxing the Wolf King. And yeah, I would like to thank first the Kaabo electric scooters for of course for choosing my I'm a Wolf Warrior video entry, and thank you very much, most especially for the whole team of Kaabo who are behind the selection of this video. Thank you also to Kaabo Philippines for helping me ship my Wolf King here in the Philippines. And yeah, to everyone who like and share my video, thank you so much. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my latest video.